Welcome back to getting a live look around the capital, Washington, D.C. getting hit hard by a storm right now. You can see covered in snow around there, but we'll tell you how we're doing weather-wise around here in just a little bit. Frank Marzullo has your forecast coming up, but for now, who is tired of that gross, ashy winter skin? I know that I am. Well, you might want to try out dermaplaning. So we brought in Jennifer Anderson from Cincinnati Facial Plastic Surgery. She's going to tell us a little bit more about this exfoliation technique, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It is probably one of our most popular procedures at Dr. Donut's office. It is where we take a surgical blade and gently slough off the top epidermis or the old skin cells.
See, when I heard a scalpel was involved, I was like, what? But really, it doesn't hurt at all. It's just like barely going against your skin, right?
Think of it almost like shaving your face.
Okay.
And
I was like, oh, interesting. Shaving the face, huh? But it really does help because that dead skin's collecting on there. Oh, it's so gross. I can like feel it on mine right now.
Exactly. And with the dead skin, when you take that off, it also takes off the vellus hair, which is that peach fuzz.
Oh gosh, that's great.
So it's kind of like a bonus with that. But then because you have exfoliated, all your products are going to work better.
Yeah.
You're going to have an instant glow. This is why this is really my favorite procedure.
I'm taking notes because I'm Russian and Asian mix, so I am hairy, okay? So if you're telling me that's going to take off that peach fuzz there,
it does.
We have video of this right now.
Yes.
And see, it doesn't look bad at all. When you hear it involves a scalpel, you're like, oh my gosh, but really it's just very lightly going across the skin,
very gently. And, it's very quick. And the great thing about it is there's no downtime. So you don't have to, have a peel and be down for a couple days. You walk out with a glow.
Okay.
And it's really one of my favorite things because it's instant gratification.
How long does the dermaplaning take?
The dermaplaning takes, I would say, probably about 45 minutes.
Okay. Just similar to a facial?
Exactly. In fact, you can have a facial with a dermaplaning, or you can have a dermaplaning and have a chemical peel. It's just a wonderful add-on. It's a great add-on. Or if you keep up with it every 4 to 6 weeks, you're going to see a big difference in lines, wrinkles.
I'm like, if I can look like Jennifer, I'll do it, right? Her skin is perfect. I'm like, oh my gosh, the pores and the peach fuzz.
You're
oh my
beautiful.
goodness. You were too, though. So dermaplaning, that's really neat. But you always emphasize to me how important it is to have a daily routine. You can't just do these facials and the dermaplaning out of the blue. You have to constantly be taking care of your skin, especially now, because it's incredibly dry.
Exactly. I mean, you can't expect to go to the gym once and lose weight.
Yeah.
It's something that takes, consistency.
Yes, for sure.
So these are the products that we always tell our patients at Dr. Donut's office that are the most important.
And this brand again, what is it again?
This is Skin Medica.
Skin Medica. This is a really popular brand. I've heard a lot about it. But the first thing you said is you need a good cleanser, right?
Definitely. A good cleanser, something that's not going to strip your skin, but it's going to get the dirt and oil off so that it can prepare your skin for the next step.
Okay. And then after that, I think I've always thought, okay, just use a cleanser. So what are the other steps here? And we have 30 seconds to quickly go through
these.
A
retinol.
Okay.
A vitamin C, which is going to protect you from any further damage.
Okay.
And a moisturizer with SPF. Okay. And if you can, a growth factor. That's kind of like the holy grail of anti-aging. Okay. And that actually produces collagen faster than your body can, get rid of it and destroy it.
Oh my gosh, good advice, girl. I'm like, whatever's going to help keep this face ageless,
well,
right?
I don't think you'll ever have a problem.
Well, it's really, really good advice. And really quickly, how much does dermaplaning cost? I'm sure this is a little bit pricier, right?
Well, actually, if it's just the surface itself, it's $85.
That's really affordable considering how much a facial is.
It is. And if you can keep it up every 4 to 6 weeks, it's going to change your skin.
Wow, I'm excited. All right, thank you so much, Jennifer.
You're welcome.
We will be right back. Frank Marzullo's forecast coming up. It also smells really good in here. We have Maine bites. I can't wait to try it out. We'll be right back.